Hello， 大家好，我是雪梨，欢迎来到我们的频道。今天我们要深入探讨一个有点有趣，但是实际上呢又非常严肃的话题——睡觉打呼噜。打呼噜呢，不仅是影响自己的睡眠质量，从而严重的影响身心健康。特殊的情况下呢，甚至会造成死亡。如果你有伴侣的话，也会严重的影响对方的睡眠质量，导致烦躁、耐心的降低，或者是沟通问题。研究表明，有1/4的夫妻选择分房睡，主要就是因为打呼噜的问题。那1/6的人呢，更是因为这个问题而考虑结束这段关系。所以打呼这个问题一定要重视起来。首先，了解打呼的原因至关重要，它可能有多种因素造成的，比如说肥胖、睡前饮酒、过敏，或者是解剖学上的一些原因，比如说上颚或者是鼻道的形状。那在某些情况下，这是阻塞性睡眠呼吸暂停的征兆，这种情况呢就需要及时的就医。当一个人打呼的时候，气道会被部分堵塞，导致呢呼吸变得嘈杂或者是费力。那如果你有打呼的困扰，或者是你的伴侣有打呼，有哪些方法可以解决或者是改善呢？第一，当然是生活方式的改变，减肥、减少饮酒跟戒烟都可以显著的减少打呼。第二呢，改变睡眠的姿势会有所帮助，比如说侧睡而不是仰睡，可能会防止舌头堵塞喉咙。第三，使用防打鼾的设备，比如说有帮助打开鼻道的鼻带。以及呢，保持呼吸顺畅的专用枕头。对于重度打呼者，建议真的是要去看专家，因为有可能是需要治疗睡眠呼吸暂停的 CPAP 的机器，或者是定制口腔矫正器等医疗治疗方法。最后呢，跟大家分享一种方法，叫做肌功能疗法。这是一种基于肌肉运动的治疗方法，重点是增强口腔、面部还有喉咙的肌肉，有助于呢控制打呼或者是阻塞睡眠呼吸暂停的疾病。肌功能治疗中的练习包括各种舌头的运动，比如说像舌头往后推或者是滑动，以及鼓励鼻呼吸的练习，但是一定要每天5到30分钟的练习，才能在几个月之后看到效果。研究表明，肌功能治疗可以明显的降低成人呼吸暂停指数，那它还可以改善其他的一些症状，比如说打呼的严重程度呀、白天嗜睡，还有你的睡眠质量。那今天的最后呢，就拉上家里的那位打呼的人，和你一起来做肌功能训练吧。
Your mouth. Hold for 10 seconds. Repeat 10 times. Nasal breathing. Close your lips. Press your index finger on your right nostril. Breathe in through your left nostril. Press your index finger on your left nostril. Breathe out through your right nostril. Then in through your left nostril. Repeat 5 times per nostril. Tongue on the spot and swallow. Rest your tongue on the roof of your mouth where your upper inside gums and teeth meet the spot. Bite down so that your back teeth are together, lips closed. The back of your tongue should lightly contact the roof of your mouth. Hold your tongue on the spot for 30 seconds and try to swallow. When you swallow, do not let your tongue come off the spot. Tongue pop. Place the tip of your tongue on the spot, the rest of your tongue against your palate, and create a suction cave. Then make your tongue pop on release. Hold for 1 second between pops. Repeat 10 times. Tongue push-up. Place the tip of your tongue against the front portion of your spot. Hold for 5 seconds. Then, while your tongue is on the roof of your mouth, open and close your lower jaw. Repeat at least 10 times. Tongue pull aerobics. Tongue pull aerobics consist of 4 parts. Touch your nose, hold for 10 seconds. Touch your chin, hold for 10 seconds. Push your tongue to the right, hold for 10 seconds. Push your tongue to the left, hold for 10 seconds. Repeat 10 times. Tongue taco. Fold your tongue like a taco and try to protrude it as far forward as possible. Hold for 10 seconds. Repeat 10 times. Air into your right cheek and hold for 5 seconds. Then push the bubble to your left cheek and hold for 5 seconds. Then push the bubble down onto your lower lip. Hold it there for 5 seconds. Push the air to your upper lip. Hold for 5 seconds. Repeat 10 times. Monkey. Put your tongue over your front teeth and under your upper lip. Hold it there for 10 seconds. Now hold your tongue against your lower lip and hold for 10 seconds. Repeat 10 tongue should be resting on the roof of your mouth where your upper inside gums and teeth meet. Let's start the entire set twice a day, once in the morning,
It's a long
once
set.
in the afternoon.
So many stuff.
You need to do this like 5 to 30 minutes a day.
Well, each set is like 5 or 10 times, and everything's at least 10 seconds. It's gonna take a very long time.
Yeah, it's exercise.
Exercise for the tongue and the mouth?
But the results is actually 50% reduction
In what?
in snoring.
I want to see the randomized trial results. How many numbers needed to treat? And what's the sample size that they had?
How about we start doing it and see if it works?
That's pseudoscience.
No.
We can try it.
As long as it works for us, right? We'll do it together.
Sure.
OK，好吧，今天就到这里吧。